but he was the leader. Who the quarterback was? You don't know the quarterback.
Because the defense.
Taylor done won. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say quarter who? Shit.
Phil Sims.
Yeah.
Jeff Hostetler. Them were the quarterbacks that won the Super Bowl with the Giants. Nobody never heard of these folks.
Still, see, they had that good defense.
Same thing with Ray Lewis now.
Yeah, that good
Trent Dilfer was their quarterback, Mike.
Yeah.
When they won the first Super Bowl.
I don't know who the hell that is.
But he won the Super Bowl.
Oh, you got your ring. There's a lot of people on that team you don't know shit about, but they got a ring.
Yeah.
See, they got a ring.
Don't know Ray
Let me get on that bandwagon. Let me get a ring. Let me get a ring. You did. Let me get that.
Yeah. I think that. You know, that, I just think, because 8 years, you've been in the league 8 years. You got to increase somewhere. You got to increase somewhere.
Because if not, man, it's like, you holding us back.
Yeah, man.
You holding us back.
8 years that's enough time to go to college and come back and everything. You hear me, Mike?
Your ass ain't doing something right. Since that bull driving.
Now you say you hear what they say. The United States playing in there. They playing over. They playing all them teams, all of them together, all them players together. But they got all of them young players. They ain't got Ron James and all them. But they got you know who that man said the leader is. You remember the Mavericks had this boy Brunson. You know when they married, they just had Brunson. Johnson got hurt in the playoffs, and Brunson played. Brunson, I'm telling you, he saved.
So he got some?
That's what Dak ain't got. He's a leader. That little dude say. He went to New York, became an instant star. He was playing behind Luka Johnson for the Mavericks. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's a leader though, man.
That's all we need, someone like that, because he gonna pull it on.
That's what Dak got to have. Leadership.
That's what I'm saying. No, he gotta go. Period.
You don't have leadership.
I'll tell you that right now. He needs to go there.
You gotta be more commanding. Dak, you got to win some of them games. The defense gonna have you in position.
You just gotta get it out there, man. God dog.
Can't get the ball up.
No pick six. You know what I'm handle that shit.
But I don't see where he done increased.
Man,
You might.
He gonna show you. He gonna show.
You all of y'all, this and that.
Man, no, that ain't good for nothing. And you ain't doing nothing. I'm trying to tell you. You gotta come on with it.
Yeah,
but you got that defense, that's all that's going down.
That's what you got to do, man.
You said you got that D coming, so shit. You gotta hold it down.
Any quarterback can win the Super Bowl, you got a powerful defense.
Yeah.
Because the game always in reach. That's what I'm saying.
They gonna hold them. You just gotta try to get that little inch to get a touchdown. But they gonna hold them down. You got that D. Them people gonna hold it down. They gonna hold down the fort.
They're going to turn the ball over and all kinds of stuff.
Type of shit. They might get a touchdown.
They're going to have a whole lot of advantage to be a good quarterback this year. Because he got a good defense. He's going to be in every game. Now, he the one got to win them games. You hear me, Mike?
Yeah. I'm telling you.
Yeah, he the one got to win them games, man. That's what I said. I love that. But he don't have the leadership, like Troy Aikman, Michael Irvin, and them. They had some kind of leadership. You hear me?
Yeah. No, I was like,
you don't never hear about Dak and C.D. Lamb. You don't hear about him. You know what I'm saying? It's Dak in a whole nother zone. He ain't no leader though like that. He can't lead no more.
Nope. That's the key right there. He's not.
He ain't no leader. If I'm the quarterback to Cowboys, I'm finna get real good with these dudes. You hear me?
Real good, but they know.
I'm finna get real. Here, man, you gotta call some credit. You the captain. You run.
Say, man, he gonna come off
if
that
you
end.
Call it, come on.
Say, man, he coming off that end, man. Say, he coming off that end, man. Say, you got my back. Yeah, man, I got you.